We've got breaking news now. A federal appeals court is pausing a U.S. trade court ruling that blocked President Trump's global tariffs. Basically, tariffs are still in place for now, is the bottom line. Senior legal reporter Alexis Keenan is here with more. So all of the back and forth.
A lot of back and forth, back on.
And this is this a sooner finding than had been expected, that the tariffs are going to be still in place for now?
So the Federal Circuit, it's an appellate court over the top of the International Trade Court. It can decide, if it gets an application from the Trump administration, which it did, to put a temporary pause on what that lower court decided. So this is the court stepping in here, this appellate court, and reinstating these tariffs and saying it needs some time to look at the motions, look at briefings, look at the issues. I don't know exactly where it's going to go from here, whether this is going to be an issue that will be decided at this stage at the appellate court level, or whether the trial court, the International Trade Court, will be handling some of this. What the court said, this Federal Circuit Court, is that the request for an immediate administrative stay, they granted it to the extent they say that the judgments and the permanent injunctions entered by the Court of International Trade are temporarily stayed until further notice. So the appeals court seeming here to put this pause into effect, and they're asking the administration to give briefings to the court no later than June 9th. So that's the timeline that we have to work with right now.
So you kind of find the bouncing ball in the courts, Alexis, but correct me if I'm wrong, doesn't Trump, beyond that, have plenty of tariff tools at his disposal? I mean, for me, it's Section 232, 122, 301. I mean, he has what sounds like just tremendous tariff authority and power here.
Well, certainly the administration thinks so, but they chose to go with the act that they did, the Emergency Act, where Trump had said, the administration had said that these national emergencies, immigration, drug trafficking, flows of illegal drugs into the United States, and so forth, was a national emergency. And that didn't work, at least at this lower court level. Now, the legal experts I've been talking to in this area, they say it's anybody's guess what this appeals court might decide when the administration and the challengers come up before them. You know, maybe it'll go the other way. Maybe this International Emergency Act will be enough authority for a different court.
Alexis,
Find out.
we will keep following it. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Appreciate
bounce
it.
around. Thanks.